Tributes and tears flowed at the funeral service of 10-year-old Trevon Sanchez, who tragically died on September 2 in a two-vehicle crash that also injured his mother in Manchester. The accident occurred on the first day of the new school year. Details in this report.
Spark of joy, curious, and a kindness beyond his years. Those were some of the words used to describe 10-year-old Trevon Sanchez at his homegoing service today. His mother, overwhelmed with grief, had to sit on a chair to pay tribute to her son.
You never really left. I feel you up beside me.
His father summed up the courage to find the words to describe his feelings.
I'm hanging on, and I think everybody has come to a certain level of terms at this moment. We live for everything, and one train, but we're holding on, we're going on.
There was overwhelming support for the family of Trevon Sanchez, who never made it to school on the first day of the new school year. Trevon was on his way to begin grade 6 at the Christiana Least Primary and Infant School when tragedy struck. 31-year-old Chadwick Young has been charged with causing death by dangerous driving in connection with the crash. He has also been charged with leaving the scene of an accident and disobeying the continuous white line. Deputy Superintendent of Police Elsa Smith says the investigation into the case is well underway. Carrie Ann Simpson, TVJ News.